In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll have a clean .pptext file you can edit, present, and share, all starting from a PDF. First, open Adobe Acrobat. With the app up, head to the upper left corner and click the menu icon. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to turn into a presentation, select it, and click Open. Acrobat will load the document so you can confirm it's the right file. Now look toward the top left area of the interface and click Convert. This opens the export options. Choose Microsoft PowerPoint as your target format. Acrobat labels the export button clearly, so go ahead and select Convert to PPTX. If you're prompted about features or permissions, just proceed. Acrobat will handle the conversion in the background. A save dialog will appear. Pick a location you'll remember, your desktop, a project folder, or a shared drive, and if you like, give the file a clear name that reflects the topic or date. When you're ready, click Save. You'll see Acrobat working on the conversion. The time this takes depends on the length of your PDF and how complex the layout is. Graphics-heavy files, lots of pages, or intricate tables may take a bit longer. While it processes, avoid closing the app or putting your computer to sleep. Once it finishes, you'll get a confirmation that the PowerPoint file has been created. That means your new presentation is ready to use. Each page of the PDF becomes a slide, and Acrobat does its best to preserve fonts, images, and formatting. Text usually arrives as editable text boxes, images remain images, and shapes or tables come through as objects you can fine-tune in PowerPoint. A couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth result. If your PDF came from a scan, Acrobat may need to recognize the text first. Conversion still works, but the accuracy can vary. Complex layouts might shift slightly, so plan a quick pass in PowerPoint to adjust spacing, align elements, or swap any substituted fonts. Keep your original PDF alongside the new .ptext in case you need to reference the source. And if you don't see the convert option or it's grayed out, make sure you're running a version of Acrobat that includes export features and that you're signed in with an active plan. That's it. Your PDF is now a PowerPoint file, saved where you chose and ready for editing and presenting.